First of all, sorry for my bad English. I'm better in written text, but my verbal communication isn't too good. Sorry for that, but maybe I can provide you the missing information from what I write it already to you. So here's the machine, and it's fairly workable. It's printing, but I have the two mentioned little problem. One with this carriage wheel, which is, I don't know you can see this, but it's a little bit damaged. It's arrived in this state, but this is an inner wheel. It's inside of this carriage, so I don't think that it was able to damaged by the shipping. The other little problem is with this end stop. It doesn't clicking. The button is inside. It doesn't come out. The other end stops are working great on the y-axis, and it's working on the z-axis too. Only the x-axis is broken. I can print with the machine with manual homing, so I push the machine on the 0 positions and start the printing like this. But if the printer is in mid-print, maybe I'm printing a vase or something, and I set the printer to pause, then the x-axis didn't move because he thinks it's already in the home position, and the printer is coming back on the y-axis, and when I set the printer to continue, he thinks it's on the 0 and start to move that way. So it can even broke himself, and it's clearly not a good sign. I hope that you can help me in some way. I can use the printer until the replacement parts you could send me, or I can buy or something, but the printer is coming like this, so I didn't broke it. It's like this from the unboxing, and I hope that you can help me some way. Thank you very much.